welcome to my channel. My name's Hayley and today we're going to be looking at the next beauty in partnership with REN Skincare. Let's see what's in this box. So, it says travel beauty box under there. And has it got a to and from? No, sometimes I put a to and from on here so you can like do it as a gift, but it doesn't have one on there. So I was really interested to try this box because earlier on in the year I got another box that had like a mixture of all different brands in it, and this was in it, and I had never tried any REN before. So this is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and it tingles when you put it on your skin and it smells orangey. I just love the smell of it and I got addicted to it. And I saw this box and I thought, yeah, I really want to try some other REN skincare. So I'm really excited to try it. And I saw that this was in there. So let's get it open and see what's inside. So it slides out like that. And then you're left with a plain brown box that says Next Beauty. And put it open like this. And then we'll see what's in there. Oh, there's a little booklet, and I think this will be about the items inside. Let's have a look. So this booklet says inside, REN Clean Skincare Travel Beauty Box, packed with products that deliver results without irritating your skin. This box is filled with the perfect daily products from REN. From cleanse to glow, get ready to meet your skin's new favourites. I think it might be, because I really like that toner. So let's see what's in the box, shall we? Yeah, I'll have that to look at so we can see what's what. So it's looking nice in here. What have we got? Look at that. I'm guessing this is a full size. So this is the REN Glow and Protect Serum, and it says radiant and smoother skin, and it's 30ml. And what does it say about it? It says it's a full size. It says clinically proven to significantly brighten and even skin in just 14 days. This lightweight serum reduces fine lines and wrinkles, dullness and pigmentation, while limiting irritation and protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals. So that's what it looks like in the box. And that is a full size. I'll put what it would be worth there. So let's take it out and have a look. So there's what it looks like. It's got like an orangey hue. I think you can see it in the camera there. It's one of those twist ones. So let's give it a little twist and see what it looks like when it comes out. It's coming. So I'll give it a little rub in. That feels really thin texture. It's very nice. Let's smell. Yeah, it's got a, I don't know, like a natural smell. I thought it was going to smell orangey like the other one, like the toner, but it doesn't. It's got like a natural smell. I don't know how to describe it. So yeah, but I will really like using that. It looks nice on my hand. Looks like it gives a little glow. So I am going to look forward to using that. So that was the first product. So good so far. And then what else have we got? Shall I take this green one here? So this is Ever Calm Gentle Cleansing Gel. And that is 50ml. I'm not very good at this showing. I get it too close to the ring light. I do it every time. Perfect for sensitive, stressed out, irritated skin. This gel contains a powerful blend of blackcurrant seed oil and vitamin E to nourish and moisturize, plus antioxidant-rich fennel seed extract for extra protection against environmental aggressors. So there you go. I like the colour. I like the colours of their things. I'm going to see if I can have a sniff. What does the directions say? See if I can see it. It's very small. To use, rub on the palms of slightly damp hands and gently massage over the face and neck for a couple of minutes. Rinse off with warm water. So that's you put that on a damp face. Use it in the bath or shower. It's sealed, but I'm going to open it because I want to smell. So it's got a little seal there. What's it look like in there? It looks clear. And it smells beautiful. I really like that smell. So yeah, I think it's a clear gel. Yeah, that smells really nice, but I'm so rubbish at describing smells. It does smell nice. It smells, I don't know, planty? Like leaves or something. Yeah, it smells really good. I like that. So I look forward to using that. Probably start using it straight away. Really like that. Really happy with the box so far. Let's see what's next. What's this thing here? Oh, I think that's my toner. Same again as what I've got. And oh, I just love this toner. I love it. It tingles on your skin. So I'll have a smell of this one. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it smells citrusy to me. I love the smell of it. I love it. So I'm happy to have another one of those. Got two now. So that's that. And then we've got a little eye cream, I think. Looks like an eye cream. Yeah, Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. And that's 5ml. I was looking forward to trying this. I saw it in the description and thought, yeah, I could do with some brightening under my eyes because I've got quite dark eyes. So there it is in the little container. Shall we see what it's like? There it is. Let's smell. Oh, that smells really good as well. Oh, I love it. I might be addicted to REN now. Oh, I love it. Let's have a little, see what it feels like. It's in the lid there, look. So I'll do it here. That is thicker than the serum, but it's a lovely consistency and it feels really nourishing as well. And I just love the smell. It smells really good. So I hope that brightens me up under my eyes. Wouldn't that be nice? But yeah, I will enjoy using that. Let's see what it says about it. I forgot, didn't I? It says dark circles. It'll be our little secret. Proven to visibly improve skin tone in just 7 days. REN's Brightening Dark Circle Cream harnesses the power of elderberry flower extract and glycogen to reduce puffiness and boost hydration. So that is 5ml. I would imagine a full size would be 15ml. That's what they usually do, isn't it? Most brands. So, yay. I'm going to love trying that. And then the last thing we've got in here is, I think it's a face cream, isn't it? I love that colour. I like the colours they use. Green and orange, isn't it? Yeah, beautiful. So what does this say? Evercalm again. Okay, so I'm taking it. The green stuff is the Evercalm. And then you've got the orange stuff is the brightening, isn't it? Yeah, because this was in an orange box as well. These are for brightening. So I would imagine, yeah, have they got like vitamin C and things in them? And then you got the green for the Evercalm. So this says Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream, and that is 15ml. So let's open this up and see what it says about it. I hope it's not too thick of a consistency because I've got oily skin, but even if it is, I will just put it on my neck. So it says on the little booklet, it says rich in blackcurrant seed, sea buckthorn and camellia oils, REN's Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream is designed to future-proof against the key signs of sensitivity while also providing immediate hydration for the day ahead. So let's unscrew this and take a peek. So it looks pretty much, is it the same colour as the eye cream? Might be a bit different actually, a bit paler. Let's smell. Yeah, I love the smell. Where can I put this one? This one looks thicker. Oh, but it feels light. So it looks thicker. I'm going to put it here on this other hand. Yeah, that's lovely and thin. I think my face can deal with that. and it smells lovely. Everything smells really good, so I'm really pleased with that. Loving it. I'm really excited to use this box. Really, really excited. So that was everything in the box. If you enjoyed watching me open it, give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye. Where is it? Where is it?